Hello everybody, Toni and David Zarghami with Zarghami Group at Keller Williams Realty. We're here today to bring you the latest edition of our Zarghami Report. Each quarter, we take a deep dive into the real estate market and what's going on. This report is for the fourth quarter of 2019.
Yes, just like with the weather, real estate is hyper-local, meaning there are huge variations from one area to the next. So when creating this report, we divided our market into 6 distinct segments, allowing you to jump ahead to the information that's most relevant. This is the fourth quarter 2019 market update for the overall Sarasota market, which we define as any property with a Sarasota address. Also, we include Longboat Key and all of Lakewood Ranch. The fourth quarter saw 2,133 closed sales. The average price was $465,000, while the median price was $330,000. Average days on market was 81 days. 2019 ended with a bang in terms of real estate sales. The 2,133 closed transactions were up 20% over the same time last year. We also saw prices across the board increase 12 to 14% compared to the fourth quarter of 2018.
This is the fourth quarter 2019 market update for the luxury market. We define the luxury market as the top 10% of sales in terms of price. The fourth quarter saw 263 closed sales. The average price was $1.4 million, while the median price was $1.1 million. Average days on the market was 128 days, and there is 9.4 months supply of inventory. Luxury sales saw a huge surge in 2019, with 263 sales that closed above that $750,000 price mark.
This is the fourth quarter 2019 market update for the Keys. We define the Keys as Longboat Key, Lido Key, and Siesta Key. The fourth quarter saw 243 closed sales. The average price was $931,000, while the median price was $640,000. The average days on market was 147 days, and there is an 8.5 month supply of inventory. As you just heard in the luxury segment, the fourth quarter sales were up big, with a large number of those sales happening on the Keys. With 243 sales in the fourth quarter on the Keys, that's an increase of 55% from the same time last year.
This is the fourth quarter 2019 market update for West Sarasota, which we define as any Sarasota property west of the trail, or Highway 41. We also include downtown Sarasota in these figures. The fourth quarter saw 271 closed sales. The average price was $796,000, while the median price was $650,000. Average days on the market was 117 days, and there is currently a 6.5 month supply of inventory available. Just as you heard in the luxury segment, the completion of luxury condo buildings downtown, including the Mark, carried a lot of weight in boosting sales in the fourth quarter. West of Trail and downtown Sarasota saw 73% more sales in the fourth quarter of this year compared to the same time last year. On top of that, prices were up 10% compared to the same time 2018.
This is the fourth quarter 2019 market update for Central Sarasota. We define this area as the space between US 41 and I-75. The fourth quarter saw 1,095 closed sales. The average price was $283,000, while the median price was $257,000. The average days on the market was 67 days, and there was 2.7 months supply of inventory. Low inventory continues to be an issue in the Central Sarasota market. Compared to this time last year, there were 19% fewer homes on the market.
This is the fourth quarter 2019 market update for the areas east of I-75, including Lakewood Ranch. The fourth quarter saw 527 closed sales. The average price was $456,000, while the median price was $385,000. The average days on market was 100 days, and there is a 3.2 month supply of inventory. East of I-75, including Lakewood Ranch, saw over 500 sales in the fourth quarter of 2019. That's a huge increase from the same time last year, over 20%. The single-family homes are really what's driving that, although we're seeing more and more new construction townhome and condo developments pop up.
If you want a closer look at these numbers, check out the full Zarghami Report at zarghamireport.com.
And if you're interested in what these numbers mean for your specific situation, feel free to find us directly at zarghamigroup.com or give us a call.